How to fix overflows and clogs in septic tank. A clogged or overflowing septic tank can cause slow drains, bad odors, and even sewage backups. These problems can become expensive and messy if not handled quickly. Knowing what causes these issues and how to fix them can help keep your septic system working properly. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Common causes of overflows and clogs. Several factors can lead to septic system problems. 1. Too much water usage. Overloading the system with excessive water prevents waste from breaking down properly. 2. Lack of pumping. If the tank is not pumped regularly, solid waste builds up and clogs the system. 3. Flushing the wrong items. Wipes, feminine products, and other non-biodegradable items do not break down, causing blockages. 4. Tree root growth. Roots can grow into pipes, leading to blockages or even broken pipes. 5. Drain field issues. A saturated or clogged drain field prevents wastewater from being absorbed into the soil. How to fix an overflowing septic tank. 1. Reduce water use, limit laundry loads, shorten showers, and fix leaks to reduce strain on the system. 2. Check the drain field. If the area above the drain field is wet or smells bad, avoid using too much water and keep heavy objects off the field. 3. Pump the tank. If the tank is full, have a professional pump it out to restore proper function. 4. Add bacteria treatments. Enzyme-based treatments help break down waste and prevent buildup. How to fix a clogged septic system. 1. Use a plumbing snake. A mechanical auger can break up small clogs in the pipes. 2. Try hydrojetting. High-pressure water can remove stubborn blockages but should be done by a professional. 3. Clean the filter and baffles. These parts prevent solid waste from escaping and should be checked regularly. 4. Apply oxygen-based cleaners. These treatments dissolve organic waste without harming bacteria in the system. Preventing future septic problems. Preventing future overflows and clogs is essential to maintaining a functional septic system. Implement the following best practices. 1. Schedule regular pumping. Have the septic tank pumped every 3 to 5 years, depending on household size and water usage. 2. Avoid flushing non-degradable items. Only flush human waste and septic-safe toilet paper to prevent clogs. 3. Limit grease and food waste disposal. Cooking oils and food scraps should be disposed of in the trash rather than through the plumbing system. 4. Monitor water usage. Install water-efficient appliances and repair leaks to prevent excessive strain on the septic system. 5. Protect the drain field. Avoid parking vehicles or planting trees near the drain field to prevent soil compaction and root infiltration. By taking care of your septic system, you can avoid costly repairs and keep everything running smoothly. If problems persist, call a septic professional for help. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.